Hi guys, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Hey, this didn't turn out so well. I don't like the cells. I don't like, they just don't, nope. This one was with the Amsterdam pouring medium, no GAC 800. That might have made a difference, I'm not sure. But now I'm going to do the Artist Loft with the liquitex pouring medium. It's Artist Loft and Meeden, and liquitex pouring medium, and GAC 800. So to make it a fair experiment, I am going to use the same colors and hopefully get somewhat the same composition. That's not going to happen. We know that already. Jeez Louise. Who am I trying to kid? But I'm just putting this Artist Loft bad boy around the edges to make them tacky so that my sides look pretty. And it helps. I don't know if you guys have ever worked with real thin paint, but if you do, when it goes over the side, it kind of creates this, I don't know, it just doesn't look right. It just doesn't look right. So I'm excited about going to the Dallas Fluid Art Experience. I'm very, very excited. And to meet all the wonderful artists that are going to be there. I'm taking a couple of classes. We're going to have some fun, going to a barbecue. I'm going to put the link in my in this video too if you guys are interested. It's going to be awesome. So happy. All right, so that's done. I'm going to give it a few minutes and I'll come back to you when it's a little tackier. All right guys, here we go. I just did a drip test on these paints. You want them to be about the same consistency, your base paint and your, there we go. I think my base paint's a little thinner, not much. This is the liquid, the golden fluid. Oh gosh, I love that color. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like finger paint all night. Anyhow, let's get down to business. So here we go. Bye-bye. All right, I'm sure I'm gonna need more than that. All right. Give it a quick torch. Yeah, when I was at Jerry's Art Supply, Jeez Louise, I bought some more Lucas Krill Studio, and hopefully I'm going to be doing a different pour with different colors. I can't get, there we go, perfect. A bug. All right, here we go. Off to one side, other corner. Bring it back to center. Off that corner. And might need some more for this side, but we'll figure that out in just a few minutes. I'm gonna tilt it vertically. When you're tilting your painting with the colors on, you want to tilt vertically as well. It always helps. I'm just helping this along. Don't like to waste. And getting my corners and sides. And now I want to bring it back. Just want to make sure I've got enough paint off. This is the way to do it. If you see a river coming down, then you know you need more paint off. And there it goes. But do remember to tilt it back because otherwise you'll end up with all your cells up here and nothing down here. Okay. I love these. These handles are to die for. I just love them. I'll put an Amazon link in the description. And they keep the backs of your canvas nice and clean. Love it. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do hopefully the same. Hopefully this works out. So looks about right. All right, can't remember which way I went first last time, but oh, I went back and forth, that's right. Blend those colors up together. Okay, that's good. Bringing it back. Coming down. Right off this corner. And bringing it back. All the way up. Like I said, no two paintings can be the same, especially in fluid art. So, I'm not expecting it to be. But I do want to bring this back this way. Oh, I didn't take enough paint off. Nope, there's like a whole river going down there. All right, let's just bring it back this way. Then we can take some more off the bottom here if we need to. Ooh, ooh la la. I'm liking, there's a lot more of the turquoise, phthalo turquoise in this. Wow. Well, this looks better. But time will tell. You know, the cells like right there. I'm wondering if that's gonna dry funny. But I like the composition. And I like that it didn't eat up all the color. And I think this is a much better one than the last one. But we'll have to see how it dries. So far, so good. I sat here and watched it almost the whole time. And yeah, I did these finger dips, and I'm gonna edit it so that you guys can see what I was doing, because somebody asked me the other day if I could show them, and they're kind of fun. Creates a softer enhancement, and they'll probably develop a little bit by morning. So anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. And of course, if you see any pieces you'd like to make your own, please contact me at gcfluidart@gmail.com. Bye now. Okay guys, so this is the second day. It is almost dry. It's still a little wet in the center, but I'm kind of happy with the results. It doesn't have an overabundance of cells, and the cells are, they're kind of transparent. You can see the colors through them, which I'm kind of happy about. And then we have like the little finger enhancements that I did. I'm kind of liking those. And this is like one of my favorite parts up here. It's just, you can see the color right through. Look at that. I wasn't going to enhance this at all. I was just gonna let it go and see what it would do on its own. But yeah, I can't leave anything alone, can I? So it looks like this is a winner. A little bit more cells would have been okay. I think I only put a teaspoon of the Deco Art in this recipe. So maybe 2 teaspoons would work. But this is the one with the Artist Loft and GAC 800 and liquitex pouring medium. So yeah, it looks like it worked out pretty well. So please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now.